Hello dear students. May the favor of the Divine Lord always remain upon you. As the exams are approaching, our hearts are filled with mixed emotions, with excitement, with great expectation, and of course, somewhere in the corner is lurking some fear as well. However, my dear friends, let us consider that in a class we find whenever a teacher wants to take an examination, some students are very excited and very happy, whereas some students are not. The difference is preparation. Those who are prepared will be looking forward with great excitement, and those who are not, their hearts will be shadowed with fear. So one of the best way to counter exam fear is to remain busy with preparation. Invest all the free time we have in preparation. Focus more on doing the need of the hour rather than overthinking about the outcome of the examination. So once the timetable is out, most of the students, then they can plan their study schedule. Now, I'm not talking about the regular study schedule that you have, which you are studying every day. But now you're planning a special study schedule only for the examination point of view. Give more time for the subjects that you have been challenged with. You find those subjects difficult. Give more time, more effort compared to the other subjects. Plan your timetable according to the need. Have a very clear understanding of the syllabus. That what are the chapters, what are the topics, and to what depth the questions can be asked. It is definitely a very wise decision to know what kind of questions will come. In most cases, sample question papers are available. However, you can always ask your teacher, and also sometimes you can discuss with your seniors as well. What is the pattern of the question paper, so that you know what kind of questions come. So the first step is to know what challenges and hurdles you're going to face in terms of difficulty level, in terms of the kind of questions that are going to be asked, how much time will be available between one paper and the other. All this happens before the planning stage. Once you have all the data available, then you can sit and plan your daily study schedule. If you want to remember something, you have to repeat it in your memory. The more you repeat it, the more better chances are that you will remember. There have been so many students in the examination room, they regret and they say, oh, this was something I studied, but I don't remember now, because they did not reciprocate, they did not rehearse it more, they did not revise it well. So that's why they forgot when it was really required. One more thing we have seen, that students have a very late night study timetable. They follow a late night study timetable. It might work for you. However, on the examination day, the night before that, you should sleep well, so that your brain is well rested and you can take care of the challenges during the examinations. You can take proper decisions. You can read the question paper properly. You will not be in any level of stress. Avoid those friends who are putting negative thoughts into your mind. If there is someone who's talking negative about the examination, oh, it's going to be very tough, we are all going to fail, please avoid that kind of conversation. Think positive. Focus on doing what is needful. Eat well, sleep well, and the entire time you have, use it well. Have a positive frame of mind and be busy preparing for the examination. Now, during the examination, when you get the question paper, it is very important at that time you need to have a very calm mind while reading the questions, so that you're not baffled with thoughts of anxiety and fear at that time. Concentrate on the question that you're reading and concentrate on the answer that you're writing with full focus. Plan your timing. Make proper decisions which questions you're going to choose to write in case a choice is given. Focus on the handwriting, clarity, and don't be overconfident. If you finish your paper before time, make sure you check whether you've done all the papers, all the questions, you're not left any question. So, there are no shortcuts to hard work, but success is a mixture of hard work and smart work. And definitely God's immense blessings. So as a teacher, I pray for you that may you have an amazing and successful experience of the examination. Wish you all the best for good preparation and a fantastic result later. God bless you. Thank you.